Take two. Polarity. How do we use it? So after you build your core resonance, like, you know that feeling, you know what you are. Okay, so that's like step one, right? So what do we do with it once we have that? Well, when we go out and about in our day, if we are approaching our day from a stable, positively polarized place, it's going to be really, really, really obvious what is not meant for us. So things that if you approach your day from a space of turmoil, you will be attracted to things from that space of turmoil. So you'll be seeking external comfort more than likely. This is because you cannot self-emotionally regulate yet. Okay, so if you are not able to be in that stable place every day, you're either in danger right now, or you have been trained into that space and that feels normal to you, and you've tricked yourself that that is a positive polarity. The point is, that's a trick. Your ego is lying to you, and you are actually in a space of immense turmoil, and it is now a cover emotion. So once you actually accept that what you're feeling is not actually positive, you've fallen into false light and convinced yourself you're okay, and you actually feel like shit, you're lying to yourself, okay? That's false light. That you're creating discord in yourself. You cannot work with that. So you got to get honest with yourself first. And this is the part everyone gets all bent out of shape over, is because when you call yourself out, it's not really logical when it comes to polarity. Because your subconscious mind is taking what you see in the external world and putting it onto a nervous system that may or may not be regulated. And as a child, it's not very logical in there. But what we're seeing externally is a symbol of a vibration, and it's being projected into our experience. But we've talked about, we're just light, so you're experiencing you, and it's a projection of an expectation. So you can't, like, that's where we get all these symbolism, like a tree means this and this means this, but like the word tree, that's only English. There's a million words for tree, and every one has like a vibrational, like underlying, you know, this vibration here means tree. But in that area of the hologram, it felt like this, and this is how that sounds. And then in this area, it felt like this, and this is how this sounds, and we applied this meaning to it. And you'll see in some of the Eastern cultures, they go deeper into their meaning and their linguals, you know, and what you know, the symbols and how, because it's more symbol-based language than letter-based. So there's a difference in how the languages are actually composed, and that's based on belief and what that culture values. And so we can see really, really how much our perception of vibration and how we translate the external has developed into all of these concepts and ideas, but it's all vibrational. So like okay, because we're all the same light, right? But like, there is an entirely different vibration to Japan than there is to Ohio, where I am. And so like, and like and what we feel when we want to travel, we want to experience the vibration of that place. Like, how did that actualize there? How did that vibration actualize into that versus where I am? When we say we want to travel, because we are right now and everything is an extension of us, all we really want is to experience that vibration that actualized outside of us. So that's kind of, when you're seeking experience, you want to seek it from a positively polarized place, because if it resonates from positively polarized place, it's yours. That's how you can identify your twin flame. That's how you can identify karmics. That's how you can identify soulmates. It's the resonance. If it resonates from a positively polarized place, you're on path. If you are negatively polarized and it resonates, you're likely trauma bonding. That's all I'm going to do, because I'm about to lose my battery and then my upload. Peace.